Over the past few years, SUVs and future EVs have replaced coupes and convertibles. However, there was a time when these coupes and convertibles were the most popular cars. Now, they are becoming even rarer. When you look at the records, they show that consumer demand for these smaller passenger cars has also gone down in the last decade. This forced companies like Mercedes-Benz to do away with most of their coupes because they were not getting any customers. However, they might have just produced a coupe that will definitely change anyone's mind. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE class is quite the car, blending two of Mercedes' discontinued coupe classes. So, what does it have that makes it so unique? Let's find out, shall we? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll look at the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE and find out what it offers. But before we continue, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates on your favorite cars. And with that, let's look at the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. When Mercedes announced that they were discontinuing the C-Class and E-Class coupes, all the coupe lovers out there were unhappy. They thought they would never see new coupes from Mercedes again. On the other hand, Mercedes decided to surprise everyone with a new CLE class. This vehicle has essentially filled the spaces left vacant by the end of the two classes. Furthermore, the CLE class blends some features from the two classes, giving you one amazing coupe. The CLE comes with a lot of new features. It has a streamlined design, a pair of electrified powertrains, and a tech-focused interior that blends the C-Class and E-Class sedans. The CLE is expected to go on sale in the US in early 2024, with the Cabriolet variant coming later. When you look at the styling, it's a blend of elements from the latest C and E-Class cars. The sleek LED headlights and the trapezoidal grille mirror those from the C-Class, while the full-width taillights, which are actually two lights that have been linked by a dark red trim piece, look like those from the E-Class. In addition, the bodywork is typical of Mercedes, with smooth, flowing surfaces punctuated by crisp lines down the side and sculpted bumpers. From afar, the grille design seems like it's just a regular one, but when you come closer, you notice that it consists of dozens of tiny Mercedes-Benz three-pointed stars. From bumper to bumper, the CLE is 191 inches long, which is just a smidge longer than the outgoing E-Class coupe. This also makes it longer than the C-Class coupe by about 6.5 inches. This added length is almost entirely in the overhangs, giving the CLE a wheelbase of 112.8 inches. This is within an inch of both of its predecessors. Mercedes claims there's more cabin space than in the previous C-Class coupe. In addition, they claim that the trunk is large enough to hold 3 golf bags. The M254 engine found in the C300 and E350 sedans powers the CLE 300, which is the base model. This means that it comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, capable of producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The next variant is the CLE 450, which comes with the M256 motor that was on the E450 sedan. A turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine that produces 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque powers it. These two powertrains will come with an integrated starter generator that will be running on the 48-volt electrical system. And when this power is directed to the motor will provide an additional 23 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque. This extra power is fed in at lower RPM to reduce turbo lag and smooth out the start-stop system. In both models, power is transmitted to all 4 wheels through a 9-speed automatic transmission. This houses the electric motor, power electronics, and transmission cooler to save space and weight. The front and rear suspensions use a multi-link design, while the CLE 450 comes standard with a stiffer, sport-tuned suspension. This is the same one offered on the AMG package for the CLE 300. If you think the exterior looks amazing, wait till you see the interior. Mercedes has lived up to its name when it comes to offering a classy cabin filled with nothing but technology. The cabin of the new CLE looks nearly identical to the one in the current C-Class, coming with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an 11.9-inch central touchscreen that is angled slightly toward the driver. In addition, the air vents have the same circular air vents. However, unlike the current Mercedes trend, the CLE does not have a third screen for the front passenger, which was also an option on the E-Class. The steering wheel has a flat-bottom design and is wrapped in leather. The front seats, which were specifically designed for the CLE, are heated and come with 4-way lumbar support as standard. To enhance the luxury of the CLE, you can get optional seat ventilation and a 7-zone massage function. The entire interior experience is enhanced by the standard 17-speaker Burmester surround sound system with Dolby Atmos, which allows individual instruments or voices to be placed around the listening area. And even better, it's compatible with songs on Apple Music. And while the screen layout has been borrowed from the C-Class, the displays utilize the interface that is seen on the E-Class. But for this one, there are some new changes with new icons for essential functions that can be accessed more directly. It also uses the latest MBUX infotainment system, allowing customers to download third-party apps. Some of these include TikTok, Angry Birds, WebEx, and Zoom, which are available at launch. In addition to that, there's a built-in entertainment suite with video streaming and local programming, including sports and news. Mercedes has also integrated major music streaming platforms into the infotainment system, which can be linked to individual profiles. All these infotainment profiles can be transferred to other Mercedes vehicles with the latest MBUX system. Mercedes has decided to implement artificial intelligence, which will learn the comfort systems that the driver uses at certain times and under certain conditions. With time, this will start running the systems automatically, enhancing the entire driving experience. This new system controls everything from navigation to a specific address, climate control settings, and in some cases, even birthday reminders. Users can also create templates that support their routines. Mercedes has even suggested a cold days template that switches on the heated seats, turns the ambient lighting orange, or a date night preset that plays romantic music and makes the interior lighting rose-colored. You can set it up any way you want, depending on whatever mood you're looking for. And if that does not give you the best passenger experience, then I don't know what does. The 2024 Mercedes CLE will also come with a remote start, proximity unlock, and lock feature. It also comes with hands-free access to the trunk by waving your foot in front of the rear bumper sensor. The CLE comes with an improved voice assistant that now includes a setting where it will always be listening for commands. Now, you don't even have to say, "Hey Mercedes," for it to activate. However, this only works when you're alone in the car. Just as the 2024 CLE comes with all that technology, it also comes packed full of driver assistance systems. It has features like lane keeping assist, active brake assist, and traffic sign recognition as standard. And for an additional package, it adds adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, steering and lane change assist, and so much more. Those in Austria had the opportunity to see the CLE class in person, and there's been nothing but positive reviews. Many people have claimed that the design is spectacular, and the way that Mercedes has blended the features of the C-Class and E-Class is just amazing. However, since it was just released recently, we're not yet sure about its pricing. But as the 2024 sale date draws closer, we expect Mercedes to announce the pricing. However, looking at the previous prices, we can make an estimate. The 2023 C300 Coupe started at $50,600, while the 2023 E450 Coupe cost $70,800. With this, we can expect that the CLE 300 might start at around $60,000, while the CLE 450 might start at $70,000. The 2024 Mercedes CLE is going to be a game changer. And not only that, but this might make people fall in love with coupe cars again. What do you think of the 2024 Mercedes CLE? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And before you go, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates on your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.